Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to draw different shapes in MS Word. First of all, open MS Word and at the top of the window click Insert Shapes. This is where most design tools are located. Then click your desired shape. Click any shape you want like a circle, arrow or heart. Your cursor will change to plus. Click and drag on the page to draw your shape. To make a perfect square or circle, hold down the shift key while dragging. Customize your shape. After drawing, a new shape format will appear on the top. From here you can change the fill color and add outline or remove it, and also apply shape effect like shadow